Hi everybody, welcome to our screen porch. We're going to read outside today to read another Mo Willems book called What's Your Sound, Hound the Hound? And here's Cat the Cat. We're going to read another Cat the Cat book. This one, she's saying, talk to me. So we're going to learn about sounds this time with Cat the Cat. What's your sound, Hound the Hound? I have a feeling that's Hound the Hound. What's your sound, Hound the Hound? Ooh, looks like Hound the Hound is doing some baking. Woof, woof, woof. Oh, look, he's making little dog treats. Little biscuits. Bones. What's your sound, Chick the Chick? Oh, look, Chick the Chick is making some tea. Chick the Chick says, peep. What's your sound, Cow the Cow? Oh, look, 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 look. There's Pigeon on the fridge. Moo, says Cow the Cow. What's your sound, Bunny the Bunny? Do bunnies make a sound? Looks like Bunny the Bunny is carrying a platter of cups. Uh-oh, he's like, I don't make a sound. What am I gonna say? Aw, and he just makes a little teeny tiny sound like a and look at all these guys are looking at him like, he didn't really say much. Sounds like somebody needs a hug. Aw, that's so cute. The end. Aw, and look at this. Now they're all sitting together, having their treats. Got tea and some fruit. And they're all drinking out of the cups. Oh, and having little biscuits. Isn't that the cutest thing? Having a picnic. And that's the end. That was a cute little story. Hope you guys like that one. And if you want to tune in to the next video, we're going to read some Wild Robot too. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.